Hello everyone. Today, I want to share some practical tips on using YouTube to improve your English skills. YouTube has been incredibly helpful for me in learning languages, and I believe these tips will be beneficial for you too. Number 1. Real conversations. One of YouTube's best features is its ability to provide real, unscripted conversations. Unlike movies and TV shows that are often scripted, YouTube videos feature real people speaking naturally. This exposure helps you learn everyday English, including slang and informal expressions used in daily life. Number 2. Focused learning. YouTube offers a wide range of videos on various topics, allowing you to choose content that interests you the most. Channels where individuals speak directly to the camera are particularly useful. They provide clear and focused content that enhances your understanding of specific subjects while improving your listening skills. Number 3. Practice makes perfect. Watching the same person across different videos helps you become familiar with their voice and vocabulary. This repetition is essential for memorizing new words and phrases effectively. It also helps you get accustomed to different accents and speech patterns used by native speakers. Number 4. Choosing what you like. Select videos that align with your interests and hobbies, whether it's sports, cooking, technology, or fashion. Learning becomes more enjoyable when you're engaged in topics that genuinely interest you. When you're interested, you're more motivated to continue learning and exploring new vocabulary. Number 5. Join the conversation. Don't just passively watch videos, actively participate in them. Pause the video and repeat sentences out loud to practice your pronunciation and intonation. Engaging actively with the content helps improve your speaking skills and boosts your confidence in using English in real-life situations. Number 6. Listening skills. YouTube provides excellent opportunities to practice your listening skills. Start with videos where speakers speak slowly and clearly, and gradually challenge yourself with more complex content as you progress. Listening to podcasts, which often feature natural conversations, is also beneficial for improving your comprehension skills. Number 7. Seeing and hearing. Watching videos allows you to observe body language, facial expressions, and gestures, which provide additional context to aid understanding. These visual cues complement auditory learning, making it easier to grasp new vocabulary and concepts. Number 8. Consistency is key. Consistency is crucial when learning a language. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to watch videos and practice your English skills. As you improve, challenge yourself with more difficult content to further enhance your language abilities and expand your vocabulary. For structured practice, explore my YouTube channel, Bookishscape English. We offer a variety of videos focused on conversation practice and listening exercises. Additionally, download my app, Learn English Daily. Find the link in the description below. Available on Android and iOS platforms, the app provides structured lessons, quizzes, and resources to support your English learning journey. In short, YouTube as a tool for learning English can be highly effective with the right strategies and dedication. Select videos that interest you, actively engage with the content, and practice regularly to see improvement over time. Remember, learning a language is a gradual process that requires patience and perseverance. With consistent effort and access to quality resources, you can achieve fluency. Thank you for listening, and I hope these tips help you on your journey to mastering English through YouTube.